Ang baba lang, no?
Since my hair got cut and dyed, and I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Dito daw. Tara.
Tail feathers are blue and green. This motor has white naked face, striped with small red feathers. And there you go, our show has officially started. A round of applause for Flag Racing Earth Bandit with DJ.
Now guys, do you believe that Goldie has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's a yes, let me hear say, you can do it, Goldie.
You can do it, Goldie.
Alright, Goldie, use your psychic power and find the hidden object for us. Where could it be, Goldie? There you go, she found it! Round of applause for our second bird, Goldie. Now for our next featured birds, they are just like any married couples, monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Sana all. But as any couples will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Now let's meet Blue and once again Goldie, our beautiful pair of Blue and Gold. Handled by Peter and Rodrigo. And today, they will battle it out in who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. For the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Come on, boys, say, Go Blue, Go Blue. Alright, for the girls, let's cheer for Goldie. Come on, girls, say, Goldie, Goldie. Alright, so, are you guys ready? Wait, Kavino ba? Are you guys ready? Alright, birds, ready? Set, go! Come on guys, let's cheer for them! Alright, here comes Blue for the first ball. First ball for Blue. First ball for Goldie. Second ball for Blue. Second ball for Goldie. And for the last ball, Their eyes and beak are solid black. Blue and gold macaw belongs to the large group of parrots, measuring about 80 centimeters in length and can live up to 70 years old. These birds can be found in Bolivia, Peru, Brazil, and Paraguay. Their scientific name is Ara. There you have it, magnificent, right? How about round of applause for Money Bird Blue? The equation for us. Alright, having a hard time, no? Having a hard time. Alright, he gets number 6. Let's go, Snow. He gets number 1. Let's give a round of applause for mathematical resorts. Snow. Twin-winged macaws are from Southern and Central America. They are known as the gentle giants. It is because they are the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. Their scientific name is Arachnopterus. Did you know that their brain evolved the same way as ours? They are also capable of complex cognition. These macaws typically feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. There you go, Penny, some of them right. How about round of applause for Dreaming Macaw Bandit? And you will have a photo opportunity with him. Alright, take a photo with Savvy. Native to the best area of Africa, savanna monitor lizards are among the largest lizard species on Earth. They can grow up to 5 feet in length and can weigh up.
Ala, agad-agad oh.
It keeps our environment clean and fresh, saves the Earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. Well, sad to say that a lot of animals are struggling their lives due to pollution caused by improper waste management. Please, let's help save one of the greatest creation of God and a gift of Mother Nature. And always remember, only if we understand, can we care? And only if we care, can we help? And only if we help, shall they be safe. Let's go, dude.
Kanina pa to si Blue pa.
See, if our lovely birds can do it, then why can't we? With Peter! And we have Joseph, our DJ, right about there. And along with the other staff here in Cebu Ocean Park, this has been June, your host for today. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye!
Sige kayo.